Hi everyone, welcome to the Data Key Pathshala. And today onwards, I'm going to start a very interesting playlist of RLS security in Power BI. What is RLS security? I will make you understand in very good manner and very detailed manner. So I will introduce you to glimpse of my playlist. What is going on RLS security, and the topic to be covered by me is, is understanding the concept of row level security, why RLS is crucial for data security in Power BI, and RLS architecture and its component, creating user roles and role members, defining the filter using DEX expression for RLS especially, and testing RLS for ensure it works as expected. Advanced RLS techniques, and I will tell you what is a static row level security and dynamic row level security, and what is the usage of username, user principal name function in DEX, and the best practice for managing and maintaining the RLS in larger data set. If we will deal the some big data set, so how what the best practice will be we have to follow. We will discuss the troubleshooting common RLS issues, and we will study the real use case of to demonstrate the practical application of RLS. And of course, we will discuss on practical exercise. We will work on some practical exercise. So that's all the overview of my course going to. And very soon I will start the all topic, and it will be in playlist of RLS Power BI security in Data Key Pathshala. Thank you.